we're going to use warm and cool colors to create a sense of light and volume. So start out with your colored pencils, your primary colors and your secondary colors, a pencil, and your paper. We're going to start out by just drawing some simple forms, and then we'll translate this later into a piece of art. But all of this information is easily transferable to other art. To create light, we always do that, and we try to make things look or appear three-dimensional or have volume. So as you're drawing your form, I have some pictures available. Think about on your cube, parallel lines. See how I'm making them parallel, just kind of thinking about how to make those edges parallel with each other. So you're just going to do a quick drawing. I have three forms here. I have a cylinder, a sphere, and a cube. You have some choices with how you do this. So once it's drawn, you're going to start thinking about your colors. These are warm colors, the orange, the red, and the yellow. The warm colors will give you a sense of light, where the light's hitting things. And then a combination of your cool colors, the purple, green, and blue, are going to give a sense of your shadows, where the light's being blocked or the light's not hitting it. And we'll combine those, obviously, but that's a kind of a nice little rule for you as you're creating a sense of volume and a sense of light. So start out once your drawing's finished and find the light source. So the very first thing I like to do is just layer a light, cool color in the shadow areas, so the light can't hit the left side of the sphere. So I'm going to just very lightly, not very heavy, because I don't want these to look like blue forms where the light's not, and you can already see a sense of that light coming through just with that cooler color. Then I take a warmer color and very lightly hit where the light would be hitting it. Now the light's hitting the top of it more than the side, so I'm going to add a little bit of orange. Now I'm adding some oranges to my cooler areas to create a more neutral feel, so it's going to end up looking like wood. So I'm blending lots of layers of colors, the more cool colors in the shadow areas. There are some warm colors in there, you can see, but it's mostly cool. When I add the warm colors into those shadow areas, that gives it the feel of the neutral feel, or the brown feel. Remember, we're not using any brown or black. And I'm just layering and layering. So when you add complementary colors, a warm and a cool, like orange and blue, you're going to get more of a neutral color. But our goal here is to create volume and light with just the warm and cool colors. Think about your background. That's what's going to help create the edges of everything. And I usually try to kind of make my backgrounds a little cooler. I just use blue and orange, or blue and yellow here, and throwing in a little bit of reds, coming back in. See how I'm reworking into the area of the forms, looking for the darker shadows to kind of anchor it. Now you're going to try your own light source and volume using just warm and cool colors.